Everyone, welcome back. It's Kylie to you here from the beautiful National Ballet School studios here in Toronto. It is so beautiful and I feel so lucky to be able to film some tutorials for you all in here today. Thank you for all the love on part 1 of the advanced floorwork drills that I posted a few months ago. So I thought I'd come back with part 2. We're gonna see 6 new drills today. Ones that you can take down the floor. If you don't have a huge space, you can try to take them a little bit more on the spot. We're going to get into some knee sliding. We're gonna do some bridge walking, some handstanding, all kinds of great stuff that's gonna get your arms stronger and get your floorwork movements happening nice and swiftly so that you're ready to put these movements together into combinations. Thanks so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if it's helpful. You can also follow me over on Instagram at Kylie Thompson Creative, as well as on TikTok. On TikTok, I'm at It's Kylie Thomps 1. So follow me on other platforms. Let's connect, let's chat. Let me know what other movements you want to see. Drop it in the comments below. So let's get into it. First up is the push-up log roll. In this drill, we are working on transitioning to the floor and building strength and control through our arms. You can think of this as a plie, but in the arms. Do your best to control the movement all the way down. Next, we have the bridge spiral. This drill works on coordination of walking on all fours, as well as back mobility. Be sure to work towards getting your feet parallel, and an ideal hand position is with the fingers pointing in towards each other. I call this movement a back thread. Starting on the knees, lean to one arm and open the other arm into your back space, feeling as if you're holding a serving platter. Your leg swipes backward, following the direction of the serving arm. Your serving arm acts as a counterweight as you pour your weight through the top of your foot and back down to your knee. It's a good idea to work on front hip opening stretches for this one. Next is a basic handstands drill down the floor. Notice how the head ramps down towards the floor instead of dropping straight down. Use your legs to help you do this. Fingertips pressing the floor away for more wrist stability and head dropping toward the floor to counterweight the hips. This dive roll uses what is often called the chicken wing technique for arm coordination. We splay ourselves out into a wide plank-like position and then with control, lower our body down in one piece as we roll out of our dive. Fold the landing knee toward the hips as you come off your back to stand up. Take 3 steps and restart your dive on the other side. In this style of slide, we are stepping out with the foot and then the hand, and then falling over the foot to the side of the shin, looking for soft tissue to land on. The swing of the hips and the pull from your front hand are what are giving you power to slide forward. Friends, Kylie here. The channel has been seeing a bit of growth lately, and I have all of you to thank for that. If you haven't yet, please go hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.